Hello students. In this part we will discuss about incomplete dominance. Now what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? Here we talk about dominance for Mendelian videos, Mendelian laws, law of dominance. So we just know when we do a cross between two parents, like we just cross is a tall and a dwarf. Then what will happen? Capital T, small t. We just recall it. Capital T, small t. That is a all tall plants means those who express their character is called dominant. Here what will happen? Here law of dominance not completed. Law of dominance not completed yet. So that's why it is called incomplete dominance. For this incomplete dominance, we just take an example of first Mirabilis jalpa, which is commonly known as 4 o'clock plant. Second is snapdragon. Third is Andalusian bird. They are the three examples. We just go through with these three examples. They are two with plant and this one is for animal. So we just go through with these plants here with this detailed study with examples here. So here first of all we just take an example with two plant species, that are Mirabilis jalpa and or 4 o'clock plant with snapdragon. Both of having red color. Flowers. So we just take an example of flower color. It's a red, and another flower is white. Parents. For a red flower, we just take capital R, capital W, capital W. R, W. Give a cross with these gametes, then the generation is RW. According to Mendel's law, it is either of one of the parents according to law of dominance, but it's a pink in color. Means what happened here? Both color form a intermediate. Both color here form intermediate structure. That's why it form pink in color in F1 generation. In F1 generation. Now what do we do it F2 generation? For F2 generation, we do again a Punnett square with this RW, RW, RR, RW, RW, WW. Now the RR is red, RW pink, RW pink, and WW white. As we have to do with the phenotype here. What's the phenotype here? First of all, red ratio pink ratio white, red pink white, 1 2 1. Go through with genotype here. Genotype is RR ratio RW ratio WW, means 1 raised to 2 raised to 1. If we have just observed here, the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio of incomplete dominance similar here. There is no intermediate change between phenotypic and a genotypic ratio here. Now we do our next cross with the foul. Next example, Andalusian fowl. Andalusian fowl having two type of color, that is, first of all, body color or a fowl color, that is white. Actually, it is not a white, it is gray in color. And second one is black. We just represent WW, BB, the gametes, W, B, gametes W and B crossed WB. F1 generation here, they just observe it according to again law of dominance or according to Mendelian laws. The F1 generation, it should be according to the one of the parent, but its color is just unique, that is blue. So poultry farmers just, they never know about the incomplete dominance here. They never know about the interbreeding of black and white Andalusian fowl produce a blue color. They just agriculture, we just say they have only blue color fowls because they have large piece of amount in marketing here. Second, if we do here genotype or a genotypic ratio here, that is WB, again WB, WW, WB, WB, BB. WW means white, WB blue, WB blue, or BB black. And we just go through with the phenotypic and genotypic. We got 1:2 ratio again here. So in this topic we have to do incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, we just observe that where law of dominance is not completed when this experiment done on the other species rather than the pea plant as Mendel do. In incomplete dominance, we just take an example of furrow, clock plant and snap dragon here. In our next video, we will talk about codominance.